Okay, quick room tour of the Hotel Orea Pyramida in Prague. Before I mess the room up too much. So this is 950. It's right on the end of the corridor. So what you have first, so you're looking at a small room. I think this is a sofa bed, TV. And then you have the coffee making gear, a safe, nothing in that, and nothing in that, and nothing, and nothing. And what have we here? We got a fridge with nothing in it. Oh shit. And then you have the bathroom. Shower. It's quite big actually. Easily fit 2 people in there. But yeah, rainfall shower head. Actually 2 shower heads. And then you have the bedroom. Yep, nice big bed. I'd say that was, it's looking like a 6-footer, I think. And then you've got another comfortable sofa over here. And then you have a door to the balcony. So you have all this to yourself. And then you got a view of the outskirts of Prague. Well, not so much the outskirts, but you're looking at a like 5, 6, 7 minute trip into the centre. But yeah, it's really, really nice. Great value. I think I paid $369 for 4 nights. I believe this is the top suite. Amazing value. A little bit out of town, so it's going to be cheaper than cheaper for what you get than the central Prague hotels. It's brilliant. I'll probably stay here again. Definitely, I think.